Hare Krishna. Kurukshetra is a very special place. At the beginning of Bhagavad Gita, it has been announced that Kurukshetra is the Dharma Kshetra. Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre. Dharma Kshetra means the place where Dharma is established and Dharma is originated. So, Krishna spoke Bhagavad Gita in Kurukshetra because it's a Dharma Kshetra. And this Bhagavad Gita is the essence of the entire Vedic wisdom. The Vedas flow through two streams, and one of them is Upanishad and other is Puran. In the Upanishad stream, Bhagavad Gita is the essence. Bhagavad Gita is the ultimate culmination of all Upanishads. And that is what Krishna gave to Arjuna in this particular place. This Bhagavad Gita is the very basis and very foundation of all dharma. And that's why Krishna established that dharma there by saying, Sarva dharman parittajya mamekam sharanam braja. Because the real dharma, the actual dharma is to surrender unto Krishna. And other than that, whatever goes on in the name of dharma should be rejected, because they are not dharma. And Srimad Bhagavatam, they have been identified as Koitava dharma. Koitava dharma means false religion. They are presented as the religion, they appear to be like religion, but they are not actually religion. The real religion Krishna established through Bhagavad Gita, and that is to surrender unto Him. So, and that Krishna did in this particular place of Kurukshetra. Many other activities took place in Kurukshetra. The Parashuram, after annihilating the Kshatriyas, those who became deviant, he actually established the Samanta Panchak, the lake known as Samanta Panchak, which is considered to be the most holy Tirtha. And on the occasion of Surya Grahan, on the occasion of solar eclipse, it is a custom since time immemorial in India that people go there to take bath in Samanta Panchak. And the residents of Vrindavan, the gopis, the cowherd folks, they came to take bath in Samanta Panchak on the occasion of solar eclipse. So did Krishna. He also came from Dwarka with his brother Balaram and sister Subhadra. And after the solar eclipse, when everyone was preparing to leave, the residents of Vrindavan got the news that Krishna was there. For 100 years they didn't see Krishna. Krishna left Vrindavan to kill Kamsa in Mathura. And although he gave them the assurance that he would come back soon, but he did not. And after 100 years, the gopis, the residents of Vrindavan, got an opportunity to see Krishna when they got to know that Krishna came in Kurukshetra on the occasion of solar eclipse. So as soon as they got the news, they ran to meet Krishna. And they saw Krishna already situated on his chariot, about to leave. And they got hold of Krishna's chariot. Along with the horses, they started to pull the chariot towards Vrindavan. And that is the Ratha Yatra festival. And along with Krishna, there was his brother Balaram and Sister Subhadra, they started to drag their chariots also. So that is how the Ratha Yatra festival has come to be practiced. When we see the activities of ISKCON, the activity to spread Krishna consciousness, God consciousness all over the world, and Srila Prabhupada established this institution to accomplish that mission of spreading Krishna consciousness all over the world. Srila Prabhupada used Prabhupada's two most important ways of spreading this Krishna consciousness movement are Bhagavad Gita and Ratha Yatra festival. With Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, Srila Prabhupada spread Krishna consciousness all over the world, and through Ratha Yatra festival, Srila Prabhupada attracted thousands of people to become attracted to Krishna and get to know Krishna and surrender unto Krishna. And both these activities actually were linked with Kurukshetra. Krishna spoke Bhagavad Gita in Kurukshetra, and the Ratha Yatra festival also was originated from Kurukshetra, when the gopis started to pull Krishna's chariot towards Vrindavan. That's why this place Kurukshetra is extremely important for the devotees of ISKCON. Not only for the devotees of ISKCON, for everyone in this world.